Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to the stream summary of July the 13th. So this week I did a few streams and I also published videos. So let's get started. So the first stream was about the Tiny Blazor website. So that's a website we start creating. What we're trying to achieve here is from Blazor WebAssembly, so client side, but in C#. We're trying to call an Azure function using a security token from Azure Active Directory. So in the past, we built the simplest application, we brought the code into our existing application, and now we're trying to fix and fudge everything together. During that stream, things didn't work as planned. We didn't successfully make the call to the Azure function. We still have very strange error. So I still continue all along and I published this video. The reason why I published this video, and I think it's important to mention, is I think it's important to everybody to understand that it doesn't work on the first try. You can spend hours trying to see a simple thing, and you will see on the next stream, I'm sure we'll fix it. But this week, I didn't fix it. We tried many different things, tried different angle, I had a lot of help, still didn't work. The second stream was about the cloud bot, so jumping on the JavaScript side, and I did start this project to kind of an excuse to learn JavaScript, but also to have a better interaction with my community. So thanks to the cloudies who were there on the stream, I decided to install and configure and use Node and Express.js, so it's a server-side application. Since the beginning, CloudBot was running on client-side only, but the more it's going, the more I realize that I will need a server-side to write file, contact a database, and contact maybe some serverless function. So we created that, and it was really fun, and I learned a ton. Also this week, I finally published episode 61 of Cloud in 5 minutes, and it's an episode about how you can manage your Azure resources. So, 5 different ways you can manage your Azure resources. It's an introduction level, it's part of the Azure fundamental. I think it's really interesting and it could be useful for many different people. Like always, I also stream with the Microsoft Developer channel. So this week we had 3 streams, 2 was done by me as a host and a third one by Brian. So we had many different guests and very interesting. So the first one was April, where she was sharing how she built a cookbook but in mixed reality. That was amazing, and I think cooking without the risk of, splashing your cooking book or like dropping liquid on your iPad, this is wonderful. The second stream was with Laurent Bugnon. So with Laurent, it was part 2, continuing this notification application he's building using Azure Notification Hub. And this week the focus was on the Windows application, so on a laptop or your phone, if you still have a phone, a Windows phone. So pretty cool. And the last stream of the week, hosted by Brian Benz, was to receive Christopher, who showed us what he did for his scuba diving club. So try to have a website and have like a bunch of different things. Really interesting, like a real life scenario using technology. So very interesting. And voila! That's it for this week. If you have any question or if you would like to see, all the links should have appeared in the screen and they will all be in the description. I invite you to join us on twitch.tv/Microsoft Developer or on my channel at twitch.tv/fboucheros. See you next week. Bye bye. Right away. So the first stream was on